So we want you to know that having taken over your software company, what that means for you. We're based in Austin, Texas, and we are specifically focused on buying and strengthening your enterprise software. We're capitalized by a single family office. We've been doing it since 1988, and we run the companies for the long term. Our model is buy, strengthen, and grow business software companies. What that means for you is innovative new programs that are going to restore your confidence in the software that maybe hasn't gotten the love and attention that it's needs. And what we're going to do now is maximize that value through innovative programs and enhanced support. We're going to do that to strengthen your business. Our Revolutionary Prime program offers free enterprise software to all existing customers, and it's strengthened by every acquisition that we have. Thank you.